I saw the heavens roll away in light, a new dawn breaking after endless night. The former things like shadows gone, no trace of sorrow, no way to carry on. The earth restored, the sea no more, creation breathing peace once torn. A holy city coming down, prepared in love, adorned with crown. A dwelling place not far, not high, God among us, no divide. Every tear wiped from every face, death undone by sovereign grace. Behold, you make all things new, faithful and true. Your word stands through. No more pain, no fear, no cry. You are the Alpha, the end, the I am on high. It is done, your victory won. Forever reigns the Holy One. To thirsty souls you freely give the living well by which we live. An inheritance sealed in light, children of God restored in might. Your promise sure, your justice clear, your glory draws your people near. Behold, you make all things new, faithful and true. Your word stands through. No more pain, no fear, no cry. You are the Alpha, the end, the I am on high. It is done, your victory won. Forever reigns the Holy One. You are the beginning and the end, the fire that purifies the Lamb.